The Audi Q5 key fob uses a CR2032 coin cell battery to operate its wireless functions. When the battery weakens, you'll notice dimmer LED lights or the fob becoming unresponsive. First, identify the keyring clip or notch on the fob's edge. Insert a small flathead screwdriver or the emergency key, often found within the fob itself, into this notch. Gently twist the screwdriver or key to separate the two halves of the fob casing. Be careful not to apply excessive force, as this could damage the plastic. With the case open, you'll now have access to the battery compartment. Once the fob is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the polarity. Usually the positive plus side faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring it's oriented correctly. The CR2032 is a 3-volt lithium coin cell that's widely available. Avoid using rechargeable or non-standard batteries. After inserting the new battery, snap the two halves of the key fob case back together until they click securely. Test the fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons to confirm that it's functioning correctly. If the fob still doesn't work, double-check the battery polarity or consider trying a new CR2032 battery. Dispose of the old battery responsibly due to its lithium content, ideally through a recycling program.